I ain't get a chance to tell you I love you, I'm telling you I love you now. And you gotta ride with your gun that time you outside in the shot. You ain't never had that.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kate, and thank you for tuning in with K Got Me Twisted. Today I have the Wingstop challenge, y'all. If y'all ain't seen my last video of my 10 blazing wings challenge, go check it out. What you waiting on? Make sure y'all hitting the like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all. I'm on the road to 200 subscribers, y'all. Thank y'all. For real. All right, so let me show y'all what I got going on for today. Wingstop. I got the atomic wings, fried hard, wet. Ugh. Y'all, this shit smells spicy. I ain't even finna lie to y'all. Just like my last challenge, no ranch, no water, and I'm gonna lick my fingers for y'all. Y'all already know how I get down, you feel me? We finna jump right into it. I'm gonna try to go pretty fast to get through the video. I just need y'all to rock with me. Make sure y'all hit the like, comment, and the subscribe button, because I'm finna go through hell, for real. Okay, wing number one. Bro, why is these? I said wet, but I ain't mean this wet. Y'all, the sauce, strong as fuck. Like Wingstop. I understand y'all trying to be in competition. Who the hell grandma made this sauce, bro? This shit should be against the law. That's wing number one. It's hot, y'all. But I think I can get through it. That's wing number one. That's wing number two. This one juicy. Y'all see the sauce is dripping literally back into the number two. Y'all, my fucking ears are sweating, bro. Ooh. Y'all, my neck's sweating. This shit is a bad idea, bro. Why is it so much sauce, bro? Like, that's number two. Number three. This shit got my tongue hot as hell. Whew. I feel like the devil that put his ass on my tongue. This is some bullshit. Number three. If y'all ever ate these wings, comment down below how many y'all made it through, cause I told y'all 10. I don't think I'm gonna make it through this. Number four. This shit ain't fair. Has somebody ever died eating hot wings? Number four. Yeah. My eyebrows sweating. The back of my damn throat feel like it's gonna fall out my ass. This shit ain't right. Look at my fingers. Bro, and then why the fuck y'all got these big ass, oversized, steroid ass wings, bro? Like, why, bro? Like, this shit, I'm not eating 10 of these. Like, y'all think I'm eating 10? I ain't even... Bro, look at all this salt. Whew. Next couple days ain't gonna be good. Let's go. Number 5. I can't even keep count no more. No, fast chicken, bro. This challenge pissing me off. Whew. That's number 5. That's all sauce, bro. Call me trifling your mama is. Bro, look at all this sauce on my fingers, bro. I said I was gonna lick it for y'all, but y'all really can kiss my ass, bro. My mouth hot as fuck, bro. Now my lips hot. That's not how number. What number I'm on?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
How many y'all want? Like, why y'all want to see me suffer so bad, bro? I thought y'all love me, G. I feel like my... Ugh. I feel like I'm crunching down on peppers, y'all. Like, I got another elephant ass wing, bro. Y'all kiss my ass. I'm going to this one. This is number 6. I ain't even lying to y'all, bro. This shit hot, bro. My lips, they ain't even burning no more. They hurt. My shit hurt, bro. Like, I feel like they finna fall off. Like, I'm mad. Really, honestly. I can't do 10, y'all. My nose running. Was that slop? Bro, y'all wings don't be this juicy, bro. Y'all don't get them wet like me, so I don't want to hit that y'all 8, 15, 20, 35. I'm damn near done, bro. I got some celery and celery.
What?
This shit not even funny, bro. Like, it's not even enjoyable no more, bro. Like, who did this? I don't even know what fucking wing I'm on. Y'all want another one? Here go another one, bro. So bad. Why y'all ain't helping me out? Why y'all ain't telling me I got shit all up on my lip? Damn, y'all need to care about me, bro. That's why I'm done after this, bro. Y'all, like, for real, dog. Like, my lips and shit burning, bro. Like, I feel like if I eat any more, I'm a shit out Lucifer, bro. Like, I'm damn near done on this challenge, bro. Like, I still got the Pocky Chip challenge for y'all. Other than that, let me see how many I ate. Let me just show y'all how many I got left. It don't even matter no more. I got 1 left, 2 left, and a fat ass 3. Let me show y'all my box. Look how much sauce still in this box, bro. So I ate 7 wings for y'all. I'm not finna eat the rest of this shit. They can kiss my ass, bro. Like, damn, I'm sweating. All right, other than that, I want to thank y'all for watching. If y'all... if y'all ain't hit the like, comment, or subscribe button, please do. Well, I'm on the road to 200 subscribers. Woo! 200 subscribers, I got the Pocky Chip for y'all. We almost there. This shit hot as hell, y'all. Like, don't try that shit, like... I can't even see this shit, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button. For real, I can't even express how much. What I was finna say. I want to thank y'all for watching. This was 7 atomic wings from Wingstop. Thank y'all for tuning in what? Thank y'all for tuning in with K. What? Can't even get it. Can't even end the fucking video. It's K, and thank y'all for tuning in with K Got Me Twisted. I'm out. If y'all still watching and y'all still ain't hit the subscribe button, y'all see how much torture I just went through in this video, bro. Like it. It don't even matter, bro. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all comment. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure that y'all sharing this, please. This shit hot. If y'all tried this, let me know how many wings y'all ate. Wingstop, y'all got me fucked up, bro. The top of my fucking roof of my mouth, I don't know what I just said, but the top of it's hurting, bro. Like, I want y'all to stay safe. Be dangerous. K out.
I ain't get a chance to tell you I love you, I'm telling you I love you now. And you gotta ride with your gun that time you outside in the shop. You ain't never had that.